we see here is SPY, and the SPY looks like it's potentially going up as this yellow line crosses this pink line. However, there is a good chance that it could crash. So what I said was, on Wednesday, that is the day that I want to watch the SPY very critically, just to see if anything, critical is going to happen. So by Wednesday, we're going to know if the SPY is going to go up or if the SPY is going to go down. As far as the previous couple days, I was talking about Microsoft. I think I was talking about Microsoft on Friday. I think on Friday it was like 195, I think somewhere right here. Yeah, it was about 195.80-ish, right around here. I was talking about buying Microsoft calls for Microsoft 200. And it looks like Microsoft is about to hit 200 now. The yellow line is about to cross this purple line. So that would have been a very easy 2x. So once again, I am staying out of options currently just because the market's really choppy. However, the FANG companies like Microsoft, Tesla, Apple, Google, and Amazon, they are going up on their own accord. So rather than playing options, I went to the stocks. The position I have is GSBD, which is Goldman Sachs BDC. As you can see today, Goldman Sachs kind of went down, and then today there's a gap down because today was the ex-dividend date, so it went down by 45 cents. So I got it for about $16.44. If you can see here, 16.13 is about 31 cents lower than what I paid for. However, I'm getting the dividend payment from it, which is 45 cents. So I am actually up on GSBD. And by looking at the overall chart, you can see that GSBD is way oversold. It's about to be going into the buying level. And once it does that, you're going to see that momentum is going to pick up. Once the momentum picks up and GSBD goes above here up to 70, you're going to see that it's going to probably get closer to 1650-ish, 1660. And that's going to be when I want to exit. And so if I exit at 1650-ish, then I'm essentially going to get my dividends, plus I'm going to get that same capital gain where I sold and bought same price. So overall, I'm going to get about roughly 50 cents per share that I own as a capital gain profit. Now, if GSBD does pick up really, really quickly, then it could potentially go to 17. I could hold it a little bit longer. Now, it's really going to depend on what the SPY is doing, if I want to go into options or if I'm going to hold this longer. If I hold this longer and it goes to right around 17, 17 would be right around 50 cents more than what I bought it for, plus the ex-dividend. And that's pretty much going to, it's pretty much going to net me about $1 profit per option or per share. Overall, I'm just holding this as a long-term position until I figure out, what option plays I want to play. And I'll give you guys an update tomorrow as far as what I want to play. So currently today, I'm going to do a little bit of due diligence research. I'm going to do some scans. I'm going to figure out what the unusual options activity is, and I'm going to figure out what different types of momentum stocks are moving. So you may see me play an option this week, may not, but I really want to just be really, really critical on what the SPY is doing. VIX is pretty much going downwards. It looks like SPY momentum should be going upwards, but once again, market is really choppy. So stay tuned, and I'll give you guys an update as far as what happens tomorrow.